Yo, what is up everybody? It's your boy Sonu Jaiswal coming at you live. Well, not live, obviously, this is YouTube, but you know what I mean? We're about to jump headfirst into the crazy world of YouTube trends in 2024. This isn't just some random list, okay? These are the topics, the ideas, the stuff that people are straight up obsessed with right now. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive into the 15 most searched things on YouTube this year, because missing out, yeah, that's not an option. Let's go. Alright, first up, we gotta talk about AI. It's one of those buzzwords you hear everywhere these days, but what does it really mean for us? Let's dive in. And no, I'm not talking about some sci-fi movie where robots are taking over the planet, although, let's be real, that day might be coming sooner than we think. AI isn't just about robots, it's about machines learning and adapting, becoming smarter and more efficient. But for now, AI is everywhere. And I mean everywhere. Your phone, AI. Every time you ask Siri or Google Assistant a question, that's AI at work. It's in the apps you use, predicting what you want to type next or suggesting the best route to take. Your car? Probably some AI in there too. Think about those self-driving features, or even just the smart cruise control that adjusts your speed based on traffic. That's AI making your drive smoother and safer. It's learning our habits, making our lives easier. And honestly, it's kind of freaking me out a little bit. The way it knows what we want before we even do can be a bit unsettling, but at the same time, it's incredibly convenient. But also, it's totally fascinating, right? The potential for AI to revolutionize industries is immense. From healthcare, where AI can help diagnose diseases faster and more accurately, to finance, where it can predict market trends and manage investments. Like, imagine what AI will be able to do in 5-10 years from now. Crazy, right? We could be looking at a world where AI is integrated into every aspect of our lives, from smart homes that anticipate our needs to cities that run more efficiently thanks to AI-driven infrastructure. Education is another area where AI is making waves. Personalized learning experiences tailored to each student's needs, AI tutors that can help with homework, and even AI-driven administrative tasks that free up teachers to focus more on teaching. In healthcare, AI is already being used to analyze medical images, predict patient outcomes, and even assist in surgeries. The potential to save lives and improve patient care is enormous. In manufacturing, AI is optimizing production lines, reducing waste, and improving quality control. Factories of the future might be almost entirely run by AI, with humans overseeing the process. Even in customer service, AI is making a big impact. Chatbots that can handle customer inquiries 24/7, personalized shopping experiences that recommend products based on your preferences, and much more. But with all this potential comes a lot of questions and concerns. What about privacy, security, the ethical implications of AI making decisions that affect our lives? These are all important issues that we need to address as AI continues to evolve. Researchers and policymakers are already working on solutions to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly. It's a complex challenge, but one that we must tackle to ensure that AI benefits everyone. And let's not forget about the possibilities beyond our planet. AI could play a crucial role in space exploration, helping us navigate and explore the cosmos in ways we never thought possible. So, while AI might not be taking over the world just yet, it's certainly changing it in profound ways. From our daily routines to the far reaches of space, AI is here to stay, and its impact will only continue to grow. The future with AI is both exciting and a bit daunting, but one thing's for sure. It's going to be an incredible journey, so buckle up and get ready for the ride, because AI is just getting started. Okay, next up we got fitness challenges. And let me tell you, people are going hard on YouTube trying to get those gains. We're talking insane workouts, crazy diets, and a whole lot of sweat. But it's not just about getting ripped, it's about pushing your limits, joining a community, and proving to yourself that you're capable of anything. Plus, who doesn't love a good transformation story, right? From couch potato to marathon runner, YouTube's got it all. Alright, listen up, all you homeowners and apartment dwellers, because this one's for you. DIY home improvement is blowing up on YouTube, and for good reason. People are tired of spending thousands of dollars on contractors when they can just learn how to do it themselves. From painting walls to building furniture, YouTube's got your back. And the best part? You get that sweet, sweet satisfaction of knowing you did it all by yourself. Plus, you can save some serious cash, which is always a win in my book. Okay, let's get real for a second. The planet's kind of messed up, right? But the good news is, more and more people are waking up and trying to live more sustainably. And guess what? YouTube is the perfect place to learn how. From reducing your carbon footprint to living a zero-waste lifestyle, there are tons of channels dedicated to helping you make a difference. It's all about making small changes that add up to a big impact. Let's do this. Alright gamers, this one's for you. YouTube has become the destination for everything gaming. Whether you're looking for the latest reviews, insane walkthroughs, or maybe just some funny gaming moments, YouTube's got you covered. It's like having a best friend who's a gaming encyclopedia, always down to talk about the latest releases and share some pro tips. So grab your controller, let's level up our game together. Okay, let's talk about money. Specifically cryptocurrency. It's the future of finance, or at least that's what everyone's saying, right? But let's be real, it's confusing as hell. Luckily, YouTube's got tons of channels dedicated to breaking down the complexities of crypto, from Bitcoin to Ethereum and everything in between. So whether you're a seasoned investor or a complete newbie, YouTube's got your back. Just remember, invest responsibly, my friends. Alright, Wanderlusters, this one's for you. Travel vlogs are huge on YouTube, and for good reason. They give you a glimpse into different cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and adventures that most of us can only dream of. It's like having a friend who travels the world and sends you postcards, except way more detailed and immersive. So pack your virtual bags, let's explore the world together. Okay, let's be real. Life can be stressful. That's why mindfulness and meditation have become so popular lately. And guess what? YouTube is the perfect place to start your journey to inner peace. From guided meditations to tips on managing stress and anxiety, there are tons of resources available to help you find your zen. So take a deep breath, let's find some calm in the chaos together. Alright, food lovers, this one's for you. YouTube has become the ultimate destination for foodies everywhere. From quick and easy recipes to gourmet masterpieces, there's a channel for every taste and skill level. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, YouTube's got your back. So grab your apron, let's get cooking. Okay, let's be real, we all love a little bit of celebrity gossip. And YouTube is the perfect place to get your fix. From relationship drama to the latest scandals, YouTube's got all the juicy details. It's like having a friend who's always up to date on the latest celebrity news and can't wait to spill the tea. So grab your popcorn, let's dive into the world of celebrity drama. Okay, fashionistas, this one's for you. Fashion hauls and try-ons are huge on YouTube, and for good reason. They give you a glimpse into the latest trends, styling tips, and honest reviews of the newest clothes and accessories. It's like having a personal stylist who shows you how to rock the latest looks. So grab your credit card, let's go shopping. Alright techies, this one's for you. YouTube is the ultimate destination for all things tech. From unboxing videos to in-depth reviews, you'll find everything you need to know about the latest gadgets. It's like having a friend who's always up to date on the latest tech releases and can't wait to share their thoughts. So grab your wallets, let's geek out together. Alright, lifelong learners, this one's for you. YouTube has become a hub for educational content that's actually engaging and entertaining. From history documentaries to science explainers, there's something for everyone. It's like having a personal tutor who makes learning fun and accessible. So grab your notebooks, let's expand our minds together. Alright, pet parents, this one's for you. YouTube is a treasure trove of information for pet care. From training tips to health advice, you'll find everything you need to keep your furry friends happy and healthy. It's like having a personal veterinarian on speed dial, always there to answer your questions. So grab your leashes. Let's give our pets the best life possible. Alright, busy bees, this one's for you. YouTube is full of productivity hacks and time management tips to help you get more done in less time. From organization strategies to focus techniques, you'll find everything you need to optimize your day. It's like having a personal assistant who keeps you on track and helps you achieve your goals. So grab your planners, let's conquer our to-do list together. Yo, that's it for the top 15 YouTube trends of 2024. Crazy how much the world changes in a year, right? If you found this video even remotely interesting, Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.